Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Adaora. On today's video I'll share with you guys how to make plantain fufu with the peel. Okay, plantain fufu with the skin of the plantain, so please keep on watching. Over here I have two green plantains, also known as unripe plantains. This two is 2 servings guys, so one is enough for one person, so this two should serve 2 persons. Okay, so go ahead and clean the plantain very well. Use an iron sponge if you have one to scrape the back very well, because we are going to use every part of this plantain. We are not wasting anything. If you don't have an iron sponge, just make sure you clean it properly, maybe with salt and a knife. Okay, now that I'm done cleaning the plantains, I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces just to make it easier for my blender. Next, I'm going to transfer them into a blender and pour in 1.5 cup of water, or 1.5 cup of water. Okay, and blend until it becomes a pulp. As you are blending, you notice that it will change from off-white to almost black color. Okay, but this is very okay. It looks like amala, so this is the typical color, and that's fine. Just transfer into a pot and start cooking and stirring on a medium to high heat. Now I want you guys to take note of something. At this point, you will notice that it is as if it is forming lumps, but that is okay. That is perfect. Just keep stirring. You overcome this phase. Okay, just keep stirring and it will come together eventually. So don't even bother when it starts looking like this. It will never form lumps. It will come out very well last. Okay, just keep stirring. This is how it is looking now, and this was after 7 minutes guys. At this point, you don't need to keep on cooking, and you don't need to add water and cover and cook. No, you don't need to do any of that. At this point, just scrape the sides of the pot, and we are going to transfer this fufu into a container. I'll be using a film wrap to form a ball shape. And guys, don't even mind the consistency at this point. When it sits for about 15 minutes, it is going to solidify and the consistency will become great. Okay, I love everything about this fufu guys. I love the caloric content of it guys. This is just 259 calories for one serving, which is one bowl of this fufu. It is just 259 calories, which is great for fufu guys. And if you are someone that counts calories, you definitely appreciate that. The peel in it adds a lot of fiber to it, which is good for weight loss. And guys, I love the texture so much. I love the color, I love the texture, and I love the taste guys. It doesn't have any strong taste, it doesn't taste sweet, it's just there, just like in the middle. I need you guys to try out this plantain fufu with the pale. It is a game changer, guys. I need you to try it out. And here I'll be pairing it with my leftover ofe salad, guys. If you want to see how I made the ofe salad, make sure you check my channel. I have that video on there, and also check out my channel for other fufu recipes. I'm sure you'll like them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this video to your friends, your families, your enemies. Okay, your enemies need to eat healthy as well, so share it to them. Maybe they will repent after eating this healthy fufu. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.